As most of you would already know, that I have a tendency to buy a lot of books and completely going bonkers when it comes to that, and I prefer hardcover copies over paperback copies. A lot of people have been asking me to share either unboxing or videos of the books that I get, or some detailed books in terms of what the books feel and look like. So I just got the hardcover set for Hilary Mantel's trilogy of the Wolf Hall Trilogy, and these books definitely look gorgeous. And I haven't opened the box set yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an unboxing video for the first time ever for these set of books, literary fiction, historic fiction actually, and won multiple awards. Two of these books, I believe, have won the Booker, if I'm not wrong. And I'm not going to dive into these books straight away. These books, for me at least, will demand a certain kind of mental setup. So I need to plan to read these books and then sit down with these books, and the kind of historical context these talk about, I know nothing about. So I think I'm going to give them a complete whole month to just seep into these books and read these books. So that's not going to happen anytime soon, probably, because I'm planning to start the Wheel of Time now. And maybe when I want to take a breather or a break, I'll get into these books. But I'm just gonna open the box and see what it looks like. So here we have the box set with us. It's shrink wrapped right now. So now get up is what it says on one side. There's this huge graphic, this vigil on this side, and some text which is hidden by this sticker, which we will just take off. It says page 4 something, which is just like a part of this. Okay, so let us take the shrink wrap off. So it's a loose card, wow, and it's got all the bites that we have from various newspapers, and a slight blurb for the book. And we have another sign here. And okay, so let us take the books out and let us see what these look like. So this is the third book, and which did not win the Booker, but the other two books have. So you see the blue color inside, you see a nice golden print on the spine. The cover, I think this was the cover that I liked the best, and I'm glad I got this cover only. And then we have these beautiful end papers here, and the paper quality is fine. It's good. It's flexible enough that it won't trouble you while you're reading it, but it's not. So the book is not like stitched with thread. Such books, what happens is they have a tendency for the pages to come out. But I hope this doesn't happen with this, because the thing that you see here, this is the problem with those things. And if it is tied, if it's stitched with thread, that doesn't happen with those books. So that's one. So the same end paper here, picture of the author, and we have that ribbon marker as well here. I'm not going to take it out as yet. Bringing up the bodies. So no print for the end papers here. Black, golden print on that. So that's nice. And Wolf Hall, I think this book won the Booker back when they were released. And again, no graphic, only plain color. Black, Wolf Hall, and same kind of binding, same kind of paper, which is nice. I like how they've given so much of margin, because if you're making notes or if you're holding the book, it becomes easy to read, because your thumb is not covering any text and it becomes easier to read. So yeah, these books look absolutely gorgeous, and I think they're worth the price that I got them for. I had copies of two of these books already, so I'm just going to compare the quality and everything. So Wolf Hall here, Wolf Hall here, and this seems thicker because the paper is thicker probably, and number of pages, and it's got a nice graphic here which is missing in the other edition. It's a total of 653 pages in this edition, and we have a total of 653 pages in this edition. So I think the layout and everything is going to be pretty much fine. The graphic is different, the feel of the cover is different. There's no extra graphic happening on the spine. So and again the same kind of binding. No, it's not the thread stitched binding that we have. So that's that. And then we have bringing up the bodies. Now this is, I think, a superior edition. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. It's this is a stitched thing, so it won't, like, the pages won't never come out no matter how much they get stretched. And this is a dactyl edge book which has a charm of its own. And yeah, so this is a better copy than the other one. Yeah, I like this better. Let's compare this with the other one. I think when I start reading, I'm gonna pick up this book instead of this one. Yeah, this is more straightforward. This is plainer when it comes to that, but this one has a lot of, design elements and things like that. So this is the one I think I will pick up when it comes to reading to this particular book. Alright guys, so this was the unboxing of the box set of Hilary Mantel's The Wolf Hall Trilogy, and I hope if you are planning to get this box set, it would have made things slightly clearer for you whether you want this book set or not. So this edition has 407 pages and this edition has 485 pages. So there must be some difference in the layout probably. I think the margins here are wider than, I don't know, no, doesn't seem like it. So anyway, so yeah, so I hope you liked this video, and in case you're planning to buy this set, it makes things slightly clearer for you as for whether you should get it or not. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers.